Welcome back, class 4. We are going to start with exercise 10F. Here, answer is already written. It's 615 hours to 845 hours. This is early in the morning, this is evening. Okay. So, what time will be? So, here 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. is 12 hours. Here 15 minutes, here 45 minutes. 45 minutes session will do, we'll get 12 hours 30 minutes. Okay. Here 10 a.m. to 3:20 p.m. So, here 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, that is 5 hours 20 minutes. Okay, like that here 11:50 p.m. to 1:05 a.m. So here 11 to 12 is 1 hour. Okay, so here 12:50 will be 1 hour. 12:50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60 is 1 a.m. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 1 hour 15 minutes, whatever I count, 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So it is 1 hour 15 minutes. So here 7:25 a.m. morning and it is 12:15 noon. So here 7 to 12 is 5 hours. But here 12:15 and 7:25 will subtract. So here it will become 6 plus 1, that is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. Here from here 1 borrowed, but here it will get 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. Then here 11 minus 7 is 4. So 4 hour 15 minutes. This is hour, this is minute. Okay. So 4 hour 15 minutes. Now here number 2, A answer. Here what time after 7:30? 3 hours after 7:30. So 10:30 p.m. Okay. Question number B, 5 hours before 12 midnight. So it will be 7 p.m. Okay. Number C, it is 8 hours 42 minutes after 6:25 a.m. So here 6:25 a.m. is there. 6:25 a.m. From there we have to go 8 hours 42 minutes back. Okay. So it will be exactly, we will subtract 8 hours 42 minutes from that. So we will get here 10:42. Okay, just a second. Okay. It is here 6:25 a.m. Okay, it will be 3. It's not 3, not exactly 3. Okay, let's subtract here. Let's convert into this hours. 6. It is 6:45. 6:25. 6:25. Then here we have to go 8 hours back. So let's forget about this. Then we'll get 8 hours minus. So 8 hours minus will do. We have to exactly 6 hours. Then we'll get 12. 12 minus 2 will get 10. So we'll get 10:25. Okay. If we subtract 8 hours, then we'll get 10:25. Then we subtract more 42 minutes. So here when we subtract 42 more, then here it becomes 9. Okay. 9. Here 60 get added. Okay. So 60 plus 25 is 85. 85 minus 42 you have to do. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Then here 8 minus 4 is 4. So here we get 9:43. 9:43 p.m. So it is here 9:43 p.m. Number D, it said 7 hours 25 minutes. Okay, again we have to do in the same manner. It is 4:15 is given. In 4:15 we have to subtract 7 hours. So it is 4:15 p.m. p.m. is there. So when we go back, okay, 7 hours. So 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we'll get 8 a.m. That we confirm 8 a.m. is there, but 8 a.m. we cannot write because here it is 7 hours 25 minutes. So here 25 minutes. So here 8:15 is there. From here we add 1 hour here. So we'll get here 60 plus 15 is 75. 75. Then here how many minute is there? 40. Sorry, it is 25 minutes. So we subtract 25 minutes. So we'll get here 7. So here from we subtract this. Then here 75 minus 25 we do 0. Then we will left with 5. So here 50. It is 7:50 a.m. So 7:50 a.m. morning. Okay. So this is question number 2 answer. 2D answer. Now question number 3 asks, a flight is supposed to start at 11 at 10 hours and reach its destination by 1350 hours. If it starts 15 minutes late and arrives 90 minutes late, how long does it take to reach destination? So here number 3, in that 1110 you have to add 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes add. So we get here. So we'll get 1125 hours. Okay, it starts. Okay, then it reach at 1350. Okay, 1350. So when it reach the destination, it will take 1350 hours to reached. Okay, 1350 hours reached to destination. So how much time is there? It takes. So here 1350 minus, you have to do 1125. So subtract 5. 5 minus 2 is not 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now here 3 minus 1 is 2, then here 0. So it is 2 hours 25 minutes it took. Okay, 2 hours 25 minutes. So it is said here, how long does it take to reach its destination? So it takes 2 hours and 25 minutes. Number 4, it is here. Devakar was at a football field for practice 11:45 a.m. to 3:15 p.m. So 11:45. Okay, then he will be there till 3:15 p.m. This is a.m. This is p.m. So how long it will take? So 11 to 12, 1, 12 to 1, 2, then 12, 1, 2, 3. So 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours. So here exactly 3:15, here 45. So here we got 3 hours is there. So we get 3 hours. 3 hours. Now here from 15 we have to subtract 45. That is not possible. So what we are going to do here, in this case we are going to subtract. Okay, so 11:45, 12:45, 1:45, 2:45. So 2:45 is there. In 2:45 we have to that 2:45 minus 15. Just a second. Okay. We are going to convert into this into 24-hour clock. Okay, 11:45, and it is 3 means 15. 15. Okay, we need to subtract this. So here 6 get added. Okay, so here 5 minus 5 is 0. So 7 minus 4 is 3. Then here this becomes 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then here 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay. So it is 3 hours 30 minutes. Number 5. Mansi complete a 500 piece of jigsaw puzzle in 3 hours 40 minutes. Megha took 55 minutes less than Mansi to complete same puzzle. Amrita took 1 hour 35 minutes more than Meghna. So here, find the time taken by Amrita to complete. So here, how long Amrita will take to complete this? Okay. So here, Mansi, how much time she took? Mansi took is equal to 3 hours 40 minutes. Then after that Meghna is equal to, it is said 55 minutes less. Okay. So 3 hours 40 minutes minus 55 minutes. Convert this hour into minute. Okay. So 180, 60 into 3, 180 plus 40 minutes minus 55 minutes. So what we are going to do here, when we add, we'll get 220 minutes minus 55 minutes. Now we are going to subtract. So here 0 minus 5, so 10 minus 5, 5. Then here 11 minus 5, not 11, 11 minus 5, 6. Then here 1 left, okay? Sorry, 2 left. Oh, sorry. 1 only. 1 and 65 minutes, okay? So when we convert, so Meghna take 1 and 65 minutes. Now third one, who is here? Amrita, okay? Amrita take 1 hour 35 minutes, right? More than Meghna. So here Amrita is equal to 165 plus, it is said more than, okay? So 165 minutes plus 1 hour 35 minutes. 1 hour 165 minutes plus 1 hour and 35 minutes. So we are going to convert this into minute, okay? 165 minutes plus 1 hour means 60 plus 35 minutes, okay? This all get added. So 165 plus 60 plus 95, okay? Minute. Then add it up. 5 plus 5, 10, 9 plus 6, 15, plus 1, 16, then 1 carry, so 260 minutes. So we are going to convert 260 minutes into hours, okay? So here 260 divided by 60. So 6 4 is 24. So here it is 4 hours 20 minutes. So Amrita take 4 hours 20 minutes. That is the answer. Now we are on the last question. So here a train travels Delhi to Delhi at, okay, leaves Delhi at 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. leaves, okay, and reach the destination next day 1:20, okay, 1:20. Today and tomorrow, okay, next day. That means here 7:30 to 7:30 is 12 hours, that is fixed, okay. 7:30 a.m. next morning, that is 12 hours is already completed, okay. Then from 7:30 to 1:20 we have to find. So 7:30, so 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, then 12:30, okay. 12:30, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours get added over here. 12:30, we got here 12:30. Now here how much time we need to subtract from here? Okay, 120 it is said. So if we get okay, just a second, okay, 12 hours. So here 130 means 13, I said 120. 13, 20 minus 7, 30 we need, 730 we need to do here. So 0, here 6 get added, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, then here 12, 12 minus 7 is 5. So here 5 hours 15 minutes, okay. So here 12 hours plus this 5 hours you need to add. 12 plus 5 is 17 hours and 15 minutes. So this is answer for question number 6. Now that's it. We are going to do the next in the next video. Okay.